Hey, welcome to another edition of Change Your Perspective. I'm in sunshine-filled Pensacola. You can tell from all the raindrops on the car windows of the rental here that it is not currently sunshiny. But you can't let stuff like that, rain, get you down, because farmers, I'll tell you what, the farmers love it. Farmers can't wait for rain. They pray for rain. Rain, here it is. Just because I'm in Pensacola doesn't mean that I can't get a little rain while I'm here. I want to talk to you today about credit and what credit means and what credit is and what credit's used for, because a lot of people don't talk about that, right? So credit lets people know that don't know you, what your relationship is with debt. Now, if you're in the military, you literally don't need credit for anything. They know you got a paycheck coming in, which means you can get a car, right? They'll just take an LES and they will get you a car, no big deal. If you're if you're in the military, you have guaranteed home buyer's approval by the VA, so your credit score, it helps if it's better, right? But you don't need to have established credit if you're in the military. Now, for those of you that are not in the military, credit can be kind of important, right? It helps you get good interest rate on your loans, it helps you go to school, it helps you get a good quality mortgage rate, helps you avoid PMI. PMI is expensive. If you get over 800 like me, you can do all sorts of fun stuff with it, but enough about that. So how do you actually get a good credit score, right? You have a credit card and you pay it every month. That's kind of how it works. It's not really how it works, right? So your credit score, let's take just a credit card for example. Your credit score will go up every single month if your balance is below 50% of the cap, right? So if it's a $5,000 max card and you have $2,400 on it, your credit score will go up every month. If you have a $500 limit and you are having a $400 balance, your credit score is going to go down every single month. A few years ago, it used to be that you could just get a credit card, activate it, throw it in the shredder, and because zero is obviously less than 50%, your score would go up every single month, no problem. With the rules changing a little bit, now you have to be a little bit more selective, decide what it is you want to do. If you are a young person, right, fresh out of high school, maybe you're in college, don't put stuff on your credit card that's not making you money, right? Just put on your Netflix on your credit card, set up an automatic payment of $12 or whatever kind of Netflix package you have. Shred the card. Don't use it for anything. It doesn't help you. It doesn't matter if you put $10 a month on it or $1,200 a month on it. Your credit score is going to go up or down based on that 50% rule, right? You don't get extra bonus percentage points or extra bonus in your credit score if you spend a ton of money on it. And the question always comes up is, well, what about points and rewards and all that stuff? I'm like, they have some pretty enticing things out there, but again, if you check the skyline and realize that it's pretty much filled up with banks, who do you think is right more often than not? Probably the banks, right? They understand that you're going to slip. You're gonna have an emergency come up, and you're gonna have not saved for it, right? And you're gonna swipe your card, and all of a sudden you're in the hurt locker. Maybe you think you deserve a night on the town. You go out to dinner. It's really exciting, and you get your credit card bill, and you're shocked because you overspent because you ended up swiping when you weren't paying attention. All these things, all this stuff we talk about, is designed to keep you out of trouble. Now, if you are a business owner, right, you're going to want to swipe things that can help make you money, right? If you can swipe your card and get your one of your trucks back on the road and help you make $1,000 a day, well, it might be worth that $3,000 to swipe it off. You're going to have it paid off by the end of the week anyway. But if you're swiping stuff that's not making you money, stop it. Tell that person you see in the mirror every day no every now and again, and you might just find yourself in a better place. I'm Travis Johnson from Change Your Perspective. If you could, please like this video, share it, comment on it below. Give me some feedback if you want to see me talk about a specific topic or you like me to expand on something I've already covered. Let me know. Until then, have a great day.